guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about Chinese adjective. So, adjective is 形容词. And remember that Chinese adjective don't need verb. So when we want to link a noun and an adjective, we normally use 和恩. The literal meaning for 和恩 is very, but when it's used as a linking word, it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. For example, 漂亮 means pretty. So 她很漂亮 means she is pretty. It's not she very pretty, but she is pretty. So it doesn't add the meaning of the sentence. The next sentence is 这个商店很大. 商店 means store or shop, and 个 is the measure word for store or shop, and 大 means big. So 这个商店很大 means this store is big. And the opposite for 大 is 小. 小 means small. The next sentence is 小李有很多中国朋友. 小李 is the name of someone, and 多 means a lot of, or many, or much. So 小李有很多中国朋友 means 小李 has a lot of Chinese friends. And the opposite of 多 is 少. 少 means less or few. The last sentence is 今天天气很冷. 今天 means today. 天气 means weather. And 冷 means cold. So 今天天气很冷 means the weather is cold today. Or it also can be mean it is cold today. And the opposite of 冷 is 热. 热 means hot. Now let's learn about how to negate adjective. And as we learned before in the Chinese negation lesson, that only 不 can be used to negate adjective. So if you guys haven't watched the Chinese negation lesson, you guys can watch it after this lesson. So 不 is always put in front of adjective. Now let's make some sentences. The first one is 她不漂亮。漂亮 is pretty. Do you guys still remember? So 她不漂亮 means she is not pretty. The next one is 这个商店不大。商店 is store, right? And 大 is big. So 这个商店不大 means this store isn't big. The next one. 昨天天气不热。昨天 means yesterday. And 天气 is weather. And 热 is hot, right? So 昨天天气不热 means the weather wasn't hot yesterday. Or it wasn't hot yesterday. So it was the last sentence for today, guys. And before we finish today's class, let's review some of the new vocabularies that we learned today. 漂亮，大，小，多，少，冷，热。今天，昨天，天气，商店。So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!